To start your local Voyant server, just double click on the Voyant server file and wait for it to open. Now, occasionally you can run into problems. That is that it says out of memory error. That means that it's trying to use too much RAM. So what you do then is you go to File and Exit. And then you open the server settings file. That's just a text file. And it usually opens like this. To actually be able to read what it says, click here on Format and Word Wrap. And then find the part where it says Memory 1024. And change this to 512. Then go back to the file and click Save. Close this and go back to your Voyant server file and open it again. Now it should open a new tab in your browser. And here we go.